Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I am going to show you guys a very different dessert. It's made of tapioca pearl or sago. This can be made as a falooda, or you can just skip the falooda totally by skipping the ice cream and just stick to the coconut milk and the coconut fruit jelly. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make this delicious dessert made of sago or the tapioca pearl. Let's get started. Here I have a palm sugar. I'm using 8 ounces of palm sugar. You can get this in any Asian store. I'm going to go ahead and add in a large pot. To this I'm going to add 1 cup of regular water. Now go ahead and simmer this by covering it until it is dissolved completely. So once it is dissolved, it looks something like this. The color is beautiful and slightly golden. Now here I have 13.5 ounces of coconut milk and 16 ounces of coconut cream. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this into the same mixture and go ahead and combine them. Now my heat is on medium-high heat. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix it so that it enhances the sweetness. As soon as it comes to a boil, turn it off and rest it to cool down completely in overnight, or at least in the refrigerator. In another bowl, I have 2 cups of nice coconut water. You want to make sure the coconut water is really nice. Here I have 1 tablespoon powder agar. I'm going to go ahead and mix them on a low heat. Stir it nice and well until it's nicely dissolved. As you can see, if a back of a spoon does not have any kind of small dots from the agar, then it is dissolved. At this point, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons sugar. It's optional. If your coconut water is nice and sweet, you can completely skip this off. And I'm going to add another 1/2 cup of water once I turn off the heat so that it doesn't get hard right away. Now I'm going to use the cake tin. Go ahead and add a little bit of the mixture that we made and add any kind of fruits that you like. Cut them in a small sizes, add the fruit, and then again add the rest of the mixture, add rest of the fruit. Refrigerate at least for 2 hours or until it is set. Now go ahead and remove this. As you can see, it's beautifully set. You can serve this as a dessert by itself, but I'm going to just cut them into small pieces, add this to the falooda that we're making. Here I have a boiling water. To this I'm adding 1.5 cup of tapioca pearl, or also known as sabudana. Cook on a medium heat until it's nicely cooked through. And once you see it is nicely cooked through, cover this and rest it for 30 minutes. In another pot I'm boiling water, 3/4 of a cup semia or a vermecili. Cook them until it's nicely done. Now strain it in the ice cold water so it doesn't get overcooked. And also now the sabudana is ready. I'm going to divide them into 2 parts after removing all the water, and also the semia I have divided into 2 parts. Here I'm using food color that is plant-based, so make sure you use a good quality of food color. And here I'm using red color and the yellow color on this sabudana, and the green and blue color in the vermicelli. This is optional. If you don't want to use color, definitely skip that and just go ahead and add sabudana without dividing them. You can just go ahead and add them into the cup. Now I'm dividing them into 2 cups. I'm adding the sabudana red and yellow. You can actually add any combination you want. You can add sabudana and then semia, sabudana and semia. Now I'm adding the fruit jelly that we made, the coconut fruit jelly. And then to this I'm adding the coconut milk. Now the coconut milk is nice and cold in the refrigerator, so I removed it, and I'm going to gently add them so that it goes through the sabudana down. And now to this I'm adding the vanilla flavor ice cream, or any choice of ice cream of your favorite. And now I'm going to add the ice cream and then sprinkle some of the sabudana and the vermicelli and choice of your fruit and the jelly. And it's done. It's very rich and delicious recipe, and I hope you enjoy watching this video this summer. This is a great recipe. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.